A very good morning, student. Today we are going to start our next poem, that is trees. So before starting the poem, let me show you two pictures. See, this is picture 1 and this is picture 2. You can easily distinguish between these two pictures. The first picture is full of greeneries and second one is deserted one. So to show the importance of trees, what poet is showing you? The poet is showing the importance of tree through his poem. So let's recite it and understand the importance of trees. Okay? Trees are the kindest thing I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among the boughs. In the first stanza, what poet is trying to say? The poet is trying to say that trees are the kindest thing. Why trees are kindest? Because you have seen that trees always give us something. It never asks us as to return its favor to us. So trees are the kindest thing because it give us something in the form of wood, in the form of fruit, in the form of oxygen. Every time this kindest thing keep on giving us something. They do not harm, they never harm us, they simply grow. They never harm us, they simply grow by themselves. And when they grow from a seed to plant and from plant to a tree, what they do, they spread shades. It gives us shades. Trees always give us shade for sleepy cows, and in the shade of the tree the cow sleeps. Okay, and gather birds among the bough. And what it do? And when the small plant grow up into into trees, it give a place for bird to live. It gather bird. It gathered collect birds in its branches. Bough is branches. What is bough? Bough is branches. So two things are there. First, it give a shade. Second, it help in gathering bird in its branches. Okay, now they are the first when days begin to touch the beam of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Trees are the first. What poet is saying? Poet is saying trees are the first when the day start. When the day start, the beam of sun, okay, the sun rays, it touches our earth. At that time they are the first to receive that sun rays, and they are the last. Okay, they are the last when they are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. When the evening time changes into night time, till that they keep on holding the light. Okay, so in this poem, what the poet is trying to say, in this stanza, the poet is trying to say that trees are always there when the day began to the night. They keep on holding the sunlight from morning, early morning to till night. Okay, and when a moon float on the sky, and when the moon start floating in the sky, means when it become night. Trees hums a drowsy lullaby. Trees are there who sings a sleepy lullaby, lori. Okay, trees are there who sung a drowsy sleepy lullaby, lori. So they sing a sleepy lori so that children can sleep. That is why poet is saying that trees are the kindest thing I know. Okay, so this is the thought of poet through this poem. Over here you can see we have word meanings, word power, bow, beam, hum, drowsy and lullaby. Okay, and after this A part, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from the poem. these words are already given in the poem. You just have to take out and write it down over here. Just start doing it. Who are the kindest thing according to the poet? Trees are the kindest thing according to the poet. Cows under the shade of trees. What cows do? Cows sleeps under the shade of trees. A dash float in the sky. What float in the sky? A moon float in the sky. In the poem, it is said that the moon is floating in the sky. Now next is trees dash a sleepy song. What trees do? Trees hum. Hum means sing. Trees sing a sleepy song. Drowsy means, what the word drowsy mean? The word drowsy means sleepy. Okay. Now B part. And spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather bird among the bough. These two stanza, write the rhyming word from the stanza above. What are the two rhyming words? Cows and boughs are the two rhyming words. So you will write it over here. Cows and boughs are the two rhyming words. Okay. How are the tree useful for bird? Think and write. You will write it. Trees yourself. Trees provide place for birds to build their nest. Okay. They are the first when day begin to touch the beam of morning sun. Okay. What time of the day poet is talking about? The poet is talking about the morning time. Okay. What do you understand by the beam of morning light, morning sun? Beam of morning sun means the rays of light, the rays of sun, Okay, so we have done A part and B part, and I have explained you. After that, we will be doing the question answer, which I will be providing you through worksheet. Okay, student. Thank you, student. Just read it out.